this was also a very different character. How different it is, you know, in terms of the character you played over there, in terms of realistic cinema, how different you found working in Traffic Signal versus Kalyu?
इट्स ऑब्वियसली दोनों फिल्में अलग हैं, दोनों की कहानी अलग है, दोनों के किरदार अलग हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली इट्स अ डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस वर्किंग ऑन दैट फिल्म एंड दिस फिल्म। हाँ, लेकिन ट्रैफिक सिग्नल थोड़ी और ज़्यादा रियलिस्टिक है। इट्स मोर ऑन द स्ट्रीट्स ऑफ द लाइफ, और उसकी एक शूटिंग भी उसी तरीके से की गई है। द स्टोरी टेलिंग इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी रियल। ऑन द अदर हैंड, कलयुग was based on a realistic problem, but it had a lot of commercial aspects to it. Like there was a hero, there was a villain, and it was the redemption story of the hero. Traffic Signal, on the other hand, is a very realistic film, which I think people might just come out saying it was just like watching somebody's life. तो उस तरह से दोनों ही एक अलग किस्म की फिल्म थी, और दोनों किरदार अलग थे, जैसा मैंने कहा। So it was a different experience in shooting for both the films.
अपनी फिल्म करते वक्त did you remember any incident which you have experienced in your life कि आपने you know you've seen that character while you travel or through your life you have gone, you know, you've seen somebody like that?
I think definitely ट्रैफिक सिग्नल एक ऐसी फिल्म है जो हर कोई, ऑल दी ऑडियंसेस दैट विल सी द फिल्म, उन्हें भी कहीं ना कहीं लगेगा कि ये वो किरदार हैं जो उन्होंने कभी ना कभी ज़रूर देखे हैं ज़िंदगी में। और सेम गोज़ फॉर मी, ना सिर्फ कि मेरा जो किरदार है वो, बट जो औरतें बच्चे लेके होती हैं वो किरदार है हमारे फिल्म में। जो यूनक्स होते हैं सिग्नल पे, वो भी एक किरदार है हमारी फिल्म में। उसके अलावा मिड डे बॉयज़, गजरे वालियाँ, ये सब, जैसे मैंने आपसे कहा कि एक रियलिस्टिक फिल्म है, तो ये सब किरदार वही हैं जो सब लोग कभी ना कभी सिग्नल पे देखते हैं, जिन्हें भीख मांगते हुए देखते हैं। तो आई वोंट से इट्स मी हु इज़ फाउंड समथिंग वेरी सिमिलर बिटवीन द रियल लाइफ एंड द रियल लाइफ, but also the audiences will have a different perception after watching this film of these people at the signals.
Did you while you were doing the film कभी आपको ऐसा लगा कि oh shit ऐसा भी होता है, you know, did that kind of feeling ever happen कि मुझे नहीं पता था traffic signal
Yes,
that
yes,
kind of life है?
yes. There is a lot of shock value to it also. क्योंकि मेरे ख्याल से people just have two perceptions when they look at such people. A is when they feel sorry for them, कि यार बेचारा the poverty and he's begging on the streets. या B होता है एक irritation factor कि फिर आगे भीख मांगने। लेकिन the business aspect of it nobody knows कि वो लोग एक्चुअली वहाँ पर एक जॉब कर रहे हैं, दे आर अपॉइंटेड दैट जॉब बाय समबडी, और जो पैसा वो कमाते हैं उसमें से एक कमीशन कट हायरार्कीज़ को जाता है। तो वो जो पूरा नेक्सस है और उनकी फंक्शनैलिटी है एज एन इंडस्ट्री ऑफ हाउ दे वर्क एज एम्प्लॉयज़ ऑफ दैट इंडस्ट्री, वो जो बेसिक शॉक वैल्यू है वो मेरे लिए भी थी जब हम इस फिल्म की रिसर्च कर रहे थे, और वो सारी ऑडियंसेस के लिए भी होगी जब वो फिल्म देखेंगे।
So your entire मतलब अभी now after doing this film जब आप ट्रैफिक सिग्नल पे रोकोगे तो your entire perspective towards those people will change? Do you think so?
I don't think the perspective changes. It's just that you're more aware of it. It's something like you can't do anything about it, but now you know about it. It's something like AIDS. You know what it is and how you can avoid it, but there's nothing much that you can do besides just knowing about it. तो वैसा ही है मेरा भी परसेप्शन। हाँ, ये पता चल गया कि इनकी फंक्शनैलिटी कैसी है। You feel a bit sorry for them, but at the same time you don't feel very sorry for them क्योंकि they're doing their job. They don't care about your life or what you're going through. They just want to get their job done. So I don't think perception as such will change, but yes, what I think about them might change.
Do you think people will kind of, you know, after the release of the film, the normal people, their perception, they will also kind of एक change आएगा? मतलब अभी जिस तरह से हम लोग उनके ऊपर react करते हैं, we just kind of shoot them off and all. You think there'll be kind of change in?
I don't think there'll be much of a change as in how people react, but yes, जिस तरह से एक thought मन में आता है, I think people will discuss it amongst themselves when they stop at a signal, you know, कि अरे यार देखिए वो था ना, ऐसा होता है इनकी लाइफ में, या you know now there is a possibility that there are a lot of things if I tell you then they'll be like giving away the plot and the shock value of the film, but I think अपने आप में they will obviously have that thought of where they will know things about these people and they might just discuss it, but as in कि अब वो कोई उसको ज़्यादा पैसे दे देगा या they will adopt a kid from the road, that is something which I can't judge or I can't say right now. That is a personal thing of all the people who react to things in different way.
You think people at the traffic signal, their life will get affected? कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है we just live our life. हम लोग को पता नहीं चल रहा कि you know what we are going through, but when it comes in front of your eyes, you feel कि you know कि अच्छा ये हमारे लाइफ में हो रहा है, you know this is what we are going through, this is what we can do. You think there'll be kind of any realization?
I think on a very minor scale, I don't think it's something on a major scale or there'll be a drastic change. I think एक realization आ जाएगी उनमें because they're not educated. जो कई लोग हैं, in spite of being in the industry, they don't know what is happening above or below them. So I think वो एक realization शायद आ जाए. But I don't think कि drastically there'll be a major change in their lifestyle or anything big will happen. Because at the end of the day, this is a film which will make people aware more than anything else and will also entertain them. But other than that, if something happens, then I don't know. But if it happens, it should happen for the good.